Dear students, today we are going to find the rational numbers between the given two numbers or between given the two rational numbers. Chapter number 9, Rational Numbers, class 7th. So let's start. If we have the natural number is given and if we are asking to find the natural numbers between 2 and 6. So we can say 3, 4, 5. These three are the numbers which are between the two natural numbers 2 and 6. So here we can say between the two natural numbers we are getting finite number of natural numbers. Okay. Now let's take next. If we have given the integers and it is asking find the integers between -2 and 3. So we can say -1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the four integers that are lies between -2 and 3. So again in the set of integers or in the collection of integers we are getting 4 integers between -2 and 3. That is again finite number of integers we having between -2 and 3. Now let's talk about between any two natural numbers and integer we get finite number of numbers lies between them. Now let us find the rational numbers between 0 and 1. So how can we find this? Now 0 and 1 we can write is in the form of p by q. That is, if we write it as making the denominator as 1, so 0 can be written as 0 upon 1 and 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. So now we have to find the rational numbers between 0 upon 1 and 1 upon 1. Now take the denominators are here 1. Now we have to make the denominators equal, then only we can find the rational numbers between the two given numbers. So let us multiply 0 upon 1 and 1 upon 1 by 5 upon 5. So 0 into 5 upon 1 into 5. So this, and for 1 upon 1 again we can write 1 into 5 upon 1 into 5. So we are having 0 upon 5 and 5 upon 5. Now here the denominators are equal. Now take the number line and divide 0 and 1 between the denominators. Now the denominator is 5. So 0 and 1 we have to divide into 5 equal parts as 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is 5th. The 1 is the 5th part. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 and 1 we have divided into the number which is in the place of denominator, that is 5. So we divide 0 to 1 between 5 equal parts. So now this first part is the 1 by 5. Second part is 2 by 5 and the third part is 3 by 5. Fourth part is 4 by 5 and as we know 5 upon 5 is 1. So it is correct. 1 is representing 5 upon 5 here. Now take the rational numbers between 0 and 1. They are 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So we can say the rational numbers between 0 and 1 are 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now here what we did, we take the given number and represent these numbers into the rational number as making the denominator 1 and by making the denominators same. So any number we can multiply. So here I am making the denominator 5 here. So by making 5 we get the 4 rational numbers between 0 and 1. In the same way we can do 0 upon 1 and 1 upon 1 as 10 by 10. How? So 0 upon 1 we multiply by 10 by 10, so it will become 0 by 10, and 1 upon 1 again we multiply it by 10 by 10, so here we get 10 by 10. So now we have to find the rational number between 0 upon 10 and 10 upon 10. So we can say the numbers lies between 0 upon 10 and 10 upon 10. So the number line we have to divide into 10 equal parts between 0 and 1. So we can say the numbers are 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10 and 9 upon 10. So how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this case when we are making the denominators 10. So in this case we have 9 rational numbers between 0 and 1. So similarly again if we write the denominator as 100, so what will happen? Correct, 0 upon 100 and 100 upon 100. So here again we are making the given rational number into its equivalent fraction by making the denominators of the both given numbers same. So here again we have to find out the rational numbers between 0 upon 100 and 100 upon 100. So how many numbers we can write here now? 0 and 100, there are 99. So we can say numbers lies between 0 upon 100 and 100 upon 100 are 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 3 by 100, 4 by 100 and count up to 97 upon 100, 98 upon 100, 99 upon 100. That means 99 rational numbers between 0 and 1. So here what we are getting? We are getting in the same way we can find more rational numbers between 0 and 1 when we write 0 and 1 as 0 upon 1 and 1 upon 1. That is what we are doing here by converting both the rational numbers into equivalent rational numbers with the same denominators. Now same denominator when we make, we get the rational number. So here we can conclude that there are infinite rational numbers between any two numbers or between any two rational numbers also. So I hope you will able to find the rational numbers between the two given numbers or between the two rational numbers, and you will solve the problems of the exercise.